You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation. To learn more confusing vocabulary in English, make sure to stay tuned to the channel, and until the end of the video we've got tons of useful but confusing vocabulary. The British English pronunciation first, because American pronunciation is different. Heretic. Heretic. A stress on the first syllable, not heretic. Heretic. Now, the Americans say it similarly, but with a flap T that sounds like a D. Heretic. Heretic. American English pronunciation, or heretic, British English. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.